This episode of Love Larn is sponsored by Mopar Oz.
Hey Mo Bros, it's Michael from Love Larn. I'm a little bit late to the game, but I've decided to jump on the Movember bandwagon. Never really been into the Movember thing, but I don't know, this whole Cleo thing over here in WA this year, just the way I was feeling about that, and also what we're doing in the sort of, lawnmower space as blokes, has kind of got me thinking a little bit that, maybe there's a little bit of something to it. I last shaved the old head for, what was it, the Shave for a Cure thing, the Leukemia Foundation Shave for a Cure. I used to have long hair down to my nips, and that all went back to this. So it's been a long time since I've done anything like this, and I kind of figure you guys are out there. It's not lawn mowing, it's face mowing, so it kind of counts. So forgive me if you don't want to watch this video. You don't have to, you can switch off, but if you want to watch along and have some fun, please feel free to do so. So I got my clippers, and it's kind of cheating, but we're gonna see what we can do with this old noggin of mine, and I don't know, maybe get rid of some of the gray at the very least, or maybe leave it for fun. I don't know, it's gonna look spectacularly horrific. I can tell you, my wife is not going to be impressed, and that's what it's all about mainly, right guys? So let's mow. Funny thing is, I think the neighbors are mowing the lawn next door, so I get a little bit of background music to suit the theme. Bonus! I'm used to just taking the whole thing off, so I gotta be careful. It's been years since I shaved properly as well, even got the razor out. Depends, do we want to carry the mustache down all the way? So many options. I don't know about you guys, but my beard is made of wire and it makes me itch to no end. Feels better already, I tell you what. Yeah. Up with the goatee. Gotta decide whether we want to keep that or not. Close your mouth, son. Ooh, I don't know, this is a tough one. This looks awful. Do I leave the little bridge? Took too much down here. Best thing is, I've got to do school pickup in a few minutes. The mums are gonna flip. Well, is that bad enough? Oh, I think these bits have to go. Be careful. I'm supposed to start with a clean face for this, but anyway. Shaving face. If you want to be a Mo Bro too, go over to Movember.com or whatever it is and check it out. You can sign up, start a team, or just make a donation for yourself or anyone, for me if you want to. I'm not on there, but feel free to make a donation if you want to. It goes to a good cause, I guess. Lots of other good causes out there too, of course, but I think men's health and men's mental health is kind of important. We still have to look after ourselves as well as the rest of the community. And we look after the rest of the community by looking after ourselves. So yeah, I don't know, think about that one.
Hey guys, since I shot this yesterday, George from mopartsoz.com.au has gone ahead and pledged $100 towards this masterpiece. So good on you, George, thanks for that, I really appreciate it. It has, however, forced my hand to go and set up a donation page on the Movember.com website. So I'll pop a link down in the video description if any of you awesome viewers feel like contributing to that campaign. Of course, you don't have to, but it's there if you want to. Thanks a million, of course, if you do contribute.
If you're on your own Mo Bro journey, consider posting a pic over on Facebook, Love Larn, and show us what your face looks like. Hopefully it looks better than mine. Holy moly. What about the goatee? I don't know. What would it look like now? I think it would look stupid without the goatee, wouldn't it? Not that it doesn't look stupid already. I used to shave every day before going to work, like a proper clean shaven face every morning. I stopped doing that a long time ago, and I tell you what, I don't miss it. But I kind of like my little brush. That's some old shaving cream. It's for men. It's a new formula, but I think this bottle's probably about 5 or 10 years old, so be curious to see if anything comes out of it. Yeah, well, that'll do. Whoopsie. If you're learning how to shave, don't take any lessons from me, please. The mustache is so itchy, I kind of just want to take the whole lot off and be done with it. Where's the towel going? This is my razor, also from 10 years ago. It's not rusty, but Gillette, the best a man can get. Don't talk while you're doing it. I feel like my dad. Square off the sideburns, drives the ladies wild. Oh, it's prickly. Didn't do a very good job of the machine down here. Just like when you're restoring the lawnmowers, you need lots of lubrication for this job. Sounds like a cylinder mower next door. Bet he doesn't have a mustache like mine though. I don't know how the younger generation do this. They're always so put together, but it's hard bloody work. I'd rather just have a scratchy beard. Well, boys, what do you think? I think it's gonna have to do. Face is going all red like. Wish I had a bit more beard right here. I don't know. What do you think? Leave a comment in the comments if you're on board with this crazy idea. And yeah, hope to see some of your pics as well, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to. You don't have to. Hit like if you like today's video. Find us on Facebook, Instagram for more of this stuff and actual lawnmower stuff, if that's your thing, since you're on a lawnmower channel here. And yeah, we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Thanks for having fun with me. Bye. Bloody mess. Shall I just leave this here for the wife to come home to? I don't think so. Oh nuts, I don't have any aftershave. Can't smell like an old ship's mate.